Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will explain how you can check internet speed with the help of Python. For that you must install this package. So pip install speedtest-cl. As this package is already installed in my system, you can see the requirement is already satisfied and you need to install this package in your system. So for after that, what we will do, we will import the module. So import module speed test, and then I will use a function. So define a function name is, let's say, check speed, and in this function I will use a variable and I will call the speed test function of this module, and I will try to connect with the server. So I will use get underscore best underscore server, and then I will print a message. So testing download speed, and then I will use a variable, let's say d underscore speed for downloading speed, and I will call the download function. Same thing I will do for testing upload speed. So just copy this and paste it here, and here I will write testing upload speed, and here I will use dot upload, and I will change the variable name u underscore speed for upload speed, and then I will return d underscore speed, that is the download speed, and u underscore speed, that is the upload speed. That's it. Now I have defined a function. So first of all I will call the speed test function, and then I will connect with the best server, print the message testing download speed. For that I will use the download function of speed test, and then I will print the upload speed, and I will call the upload function, and then I will return download speed and upload speed. Now I will call this function. So d speed and download speed and upload speed is equals to, I will call this function. So check underscore speed, and I will print. Now let's run this. So you can see the message testing download speed. Just wait. And then you can see it is testing the upload speed, and you can see the download speed and upload speed as well. So let's format this. So I will convert the speed into Mbps. So for that I will divide it by similarly I will convert upload speed to Mbps. Let's run this again, and you can see it is testing the download speed and testing the upload speed. It is taking time because it is trying to get the best server from here, and you can see the download speed is this one and upload speed is this one, and you can format it accordingly, and you can also round it. So that's all. This way you can check the download speed and upload speed with the help of Python.